Summer breeze makes me feel fine. That's Summer Breeze. We're turning it into a Campfire classic. Easy strumming pattern, all downstrums, open chords, nothing complicated. By the end of this video, you will have the whole song firmly in your pocket. I've split the song into 3 digestible sections. We're starting with the chorus. That's the bit everybody knows, and it contains just 3 chords. A minor. We're going with the easy B minor, sounds lovely on acoustic, and G. And here's how it goes. We have 2 nice and easy feel downstrums per bar. 3, 4. And that repeats to complete the chorus. Let's keep going. On to the verse. You've already got G. We introduce A, D, and E. So it becomes a little bit more major sounding. The strumming pattern stays exactly the same, but now we have 1 chord per bar instead of 2. Here we go. 3, 4. That repeats again to complete the verse. The second time we extend the E chord section. Now for the bridge, every chord in it you already know. We've got some slow downstrums to bring down the pace, which facilitates the build back up again into the verse. We're going to play through in one go at the speed of the song, a verse, chorus and bridge, so you can hear how they work together. You've got the freedom with the downstrums to play the song all the way through like that. It's such a well-written song and the chords do the talking. If you want the extra flourish, there's room to do that too. After the 4th beat, I add a quick little down up. It adds a bit of movement, it covers up the chord change, and it gives us a bit of bounce. I'll play this through twice so you can hear it. Follow along, the chords will be on the screen as we go. 2, 3, 4.
See the curtains hanging in the window in the evening. Little light shining through the window lets me know everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Sweet days of summer, daylight is dressed up, and I come home. Not a care in the world.
You're ready to go. Here's the full song structure. There's an intro which bounces between A minor and E. We start with the intro, then verse, chorus, bridge, verse, chorus. Super easy song format to remember. If you'd like the fuller arrangement, the lead guitar part, the picking part, the Isley Brothers version, here's a video I did a few weeks ago that will give you just that. Now go and mellow out those barbecues. I will see you next time.